Now, what are the various steps which are taken for obtaining silk from the silkworm? First is rearing. Rearing means this is in the professional term, and rearing means the silkworm farmers buy the eggs of silk moth and raise them. These eggs are generally large in number, as a single silk moth can lay about 100 eggs at a time. These eggs are stored in environment having appropriate temperature, humidity and hygienic condition. These appropriate temperature, humidity and hygienic conditions are very necessary to store the eggs, because inside these eggs has to be changed into different steps, like after sometimes it changes into larvae. If these will not get the proper conditions, the eggs cannot survive. So proper temperature, humidity and hygienic conditions are required for their growth. Now, in order to hatch the larva out of the eggs, then eggs are heated. They are then kept in a bamboo tray. This process is conducted generally when the fresh leaves appear on the mulberry tree, so that caterpillar can get enough feed. This is the time when caterpillar need or eats most of the food, right? The caterpillar that feeds for around 25 to 30 days and then moves into the chamber in the tray to build a cocoon. Then when the cocoon when spun gets attached to the rocks, this point is not required. The caterpillar feeds for around 25 to 30 days तक वो क्या करती रहती है, खाती रहती है मलबरी लीव्स. एंड देन दे मूव इनटू चैम्बर्स. उनको किसी चैम्बर में, एक चैम्बर में ट्रेज में डाल के रख दिया जाता है. एंड देयर दे बिल्ट अ cocoon. They just a cocoon or the thread that they spin around them. जैसे मकड़ी अपने चारों तरफ जाला बनाती है, it's like that you can compare. Not exactly like that, but you can imagine like a substance is secreted, and that substance that makes a egg or shell like structure around the caterpillar, and this is called cocoon, and it becomes hard. You can understand this process that silkworm, by this diagram we can understand better. Only the healthiest moths are used for breeding. Caterpillar spins silk around itself, eventually encasing itself completely. Now you can see the caterpillar after encasing, after spinning the cocoon, it becomes like a egg. It is also called silk cocoon. Then these are boiled in hot water. Once the cocoon are stuffed to kill the chrysalids. Chrysalids means the insect present inside the shell. That is called chrysalids. They are soaked into hot water to loosen the sericin trapped in the fiber. Sericin is what? Protein that is trapped in the fiber. So we can simply understand that fiber, to separate this fiber which is spent around the caterpillar, that has to be separated. For that, these cocoons are kept in or soaked in the hot water, and with the help of workers, those who work in the silk industry, they with their hands they separate it with the from the insect present inside it. Then the cocoon or the thread obtained, that is rolled over with the help of a eyelet. The end of the silk fiber is threaded through an eyelet and reeled to a wheel. This process is called reeling. After that, it is spun, and then this is changed into the yarn. Let's see again. Processing of silk. First, the cocoon are acquired and kept under the sun or boiled so that the silk fiber can be separated out from the them. Abhi, I have shown you the picture. In that the cocoons are kept in hot water so that the fibers can be separated out from them, and then the reeling of the silk takes place. Reeling means the silk thread is rolled in the form of some bundles. It is process in which the cocoon threads are processed to be used as silk. The silk fiber thus obtained are drawn and rolled into threads.